Okay, I have a secret way for you to build your visibility on LinkedIn, develop your reputation as a thought leader, and also maybe come up in Google search. It's not really a secret. People just don't talk about it a lot. So, what is it? It's publishing long form content, otherwise known as articles, on LinkedIn. Now, I have to start by saying that only about 4% of posts on LinkedIn are actually articles. However, what they don't achieve as far as reach goes, they make up in terms of visibility because they are actually indexed by Google. And so that means that your article might come up in somebody's search. Say if you're in sales and you're talking about tips for sales success, and I'm searching Google for tips on sales, your article might just come up in my search results. So article topics are virtually limitless. You might talk about lessons you learned or something in your area of expertise. I might talk about content marketing or creating videos. You might predict some ideas for the future in your industry or maybe share some business successes. Another cool thing about LinkedIn articles is that you can embed photos. You can also embed videos to break up that blocks of text and also to give people who learn differently another option. For example, you might give a detailed description in the text, but then have a video to demonstrate what you're explaining. One final quick tip: if you're writing an article, aim for about 800 to 1,000 words. Have a mix of short paragraphs and bullets, and of course, break up that text with images and videos.